Hey, my name's Goodchild. I'm the owner of the Face Boss and I'm a Coleg Gwent alumni. So I'm a professional makeup artist from South Wales and I specialise in bridal, prom, general makeup and lessons. Put simply, I enjoy helping people look the best they can be. Since starting my own business, I've been lucky enough to travel the world, work with TV personalities and build a following online. I'm so lucky to have a career doing something I love, which is why I have so much energy and drive to keep exploring new ideas. With that in mind, I've launched my own lash line and I run my own training courses. I truly love every part of what I do. As a 15-16-year-old, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I knew I really loved art, so finding the theatrical makeup course really helped me discover my passion. The course was great because it really brought me out of my comfort zone and it introduced my love of body painting. As well as this, it really helped me prepare for my future and my career in makeup. After college, I went on to work for MAC Cosmetics, where I joined their national body painting team and I was able to take part in events across the UK. So already this year has been so crazy. I've been traveling for bridal, I have a load of bridal work coming up, and I've been doing my own workshops and lessons. With that being said, having my own business means I get to manage my own diary, I got to go traveling for 4 months, I'm planning a wedding, and to be honest, I wouldn't change a thing. I would definitely recommend Coleg Gwent to anyone looking to join. And like I said before, the college really helped me grow my confidence and take my career to the next step.